What does it look like? What does it sound like? What does it feel like? Many believe prayer is simply asking for the things we desire. But how many of us forget to ask for what Jesus desires? Could it be that through prayer, we can capture the heart of God?
Don't forget to put on your seatbelt. Hey guys, welcome to the Desire of the Nations YouTube channel. Today I am so excited for this video because we're actually on our way to Saturday morning prayer. Last night we were out really late, me, Olathe, and Brave. We're out till maybe like 3 or so in the morning with our pastors just talking about prayer. And so now we are on our way to prayer here in San Antonio, Texas at 9:29 a.m. So didn't get much sleep, but when prayer is a priority, when Jesus is a priority, when church is a priority, you just can't get enough. It's funny because I'm actually thinking about a time in my life where I had to make sacrifices as far as sleep-wise, and when I did, literally, it's like the Holy Spirit just energized every part of my body. I actually felt more rested than I did when I would get 8 hours of sleep or when I would get 10 hours of sleep, and I was only getting like maybe 3 or 4 hours of sleep. So I don't know who that's for, but we're on our way to Saturday morning prayer, and I believe that the Holy Spirit is going to move.
God, burden our hearts to pray. Open our ears to hear the cry of your heart. Give us your burden for the lost. Give us your burden for the broken. God, give us your burden. The following is a poem written by a woman who died a heroin addict. This was her cry. They say you've gone to heaven, but I've heard them tell that before you went to heaven, Lord, you also went to hell. So come down from your heaven, for if you went to hell, come down into the clip joint, Lord. Come down to us as well. Smoke rises in your churches to praise your holiness. Smoke rises from our reefers to cloud our loneliness. So come down from your heaven to call, to heal, to bless. You know that our smoke rings are signals of distress. With publicans and sinners, they say you often dined. They say a girl who was tart with you found peace of mind. So come down, Lord, from your heaven. For if you love our kind, come down into this strip club, Lord, where only love is blind. The sick, they need a doctor more than the healthy do. They say you took a dying thief to paradise with you. So come down from your heaven, for if what they say is true, come down to the den of thieves, where thieves have need of you. They say you were victorious over hell and over death. We know the hell of heroin, the dying that is meth. So come down from your heaven, you whom we can't confess, and be the resurrection of this, our living death. God, give us your burden.